We're Jenna and Jeremy.
After 14 months of RV life, we sold the RV and booked a one-way flight to travel the world.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram and TikTok. Quench your adventure. Now on to the good stuff.
What's up, guys? Hola, hola. If you missed our last video, we recap our journey from Boquete to Bocas del Toro. We tour the Cosmic Crab Resort where we're staying for a week, and we explore a bit of both Carnero Island and Colon Island, aka Bocas Town. While in town, we came across a guy selling day trips to the islands, and we decided to go for one. This is with Jamorogo Tours, and we found them near Barco Hundido. We opted for the $30 per person tour, and they conveniently picked us up from our dock right outside our door. First stop is this bay of dolphins, and these guys are always fun to see. Next stop, we're heading to Crawl Key for lunch and an optional swim. I hear a bird, like a parrot or something. Just so interesting to see the different ways that people live. This is, there's like a boardwalk, that's the water out there. We're here to go to the bathroom, maybe grab a drink, and at the end of the boardwalk, it's just like this concrete thing that, depending on the tide, is like underwater, and then it's hard to really see what all is going on here. But people are living here, but it's just strange how like high the water seems to get. And I'm just trying to figure out also, like, the plumbing is so interesting. The bathroom over there like runs to this, and I don't know, it eventually just dumps in the ground somewhere, but it feels like there is no ground yet because so much of it is underwater. Super interesting, but always just cool to see. And saw a couple parrotfish in the water as well. Excited to get in the water later today. And for our main stop, we're here on Zapatia Isla. Zapatia?
No,
I guess,
Playa.
Playa Zapatia?
Well, it is an island too.
And the boat just dropped us off here. Did they take off? Or is
Yep.
that... Okay. I think they're gone. So we're here for 2 hours. The tour guides speak only Spanish, so nice that we know a little bit. And this is quite possibly the most beautiful island and beach I've ever been on. Jenna, what do you think? This is probably the nicest water.
Yep, the water is
one of the most beautiful places. I mean, we've been to Curacao, definitely some amazing beaches there.
This is consistently pretty.
This feels maybe even more pristine, more untouched. There's only a few people camping here and a couple people on tours. But yeah, it is gorgeous. So I'm gonna see if I can find a decent spot to take off and land the drone, and then we'll chill for a bit. Wow, there's no shortage of sunshine, clear blue water, and soft white sand. Heading back, we're making a quick snorkel stop to cool off and see some marine life. Bocas del Toro is a pretty well-known scuba diving location, which we'll get into more in the next video. Honestly, from our American standards and perspective, the boat ride itself was probably worth 30 bucks. It's not the most comfortable, but the views are gorgeous, and we had a few thrills flying through the mangroves at top speed. All in all, this is a great way to experience the highlights of the area in just one day. Be sure to bring things like sunscreen, a towel, sunglasses, cash, and your bathing suit. In the next video, I'll be talking about learning to scuba dive in one of the cheapest places on the planet, so stay tuned for more and get out there and quench your adventure. Peace.